How to fix TikTok sound problem. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix TikTok sound problem. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the top bar, search for TikTok application itself. Then here click on the application, scroll down a bit and here you can see an option named App Support. Simply click on the drop down menu of it. Then here simply click on the email. Then here select the application's email. Then here again wait for a few seconds. And then here on the subject menu, make sure to describe your problem briefly, that whatever you are dealing with. After that, simply click on send on the top right corner. Then within a few hours, the team TikTok will reach out to you and guide you through every steps of fix to your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.